Hey Atlassian monsters, let me tell you about something straight up spooky that happened to me this morning. I started my day, like usual, coffee in my hand, ready to crush some tickets. Open up one of my clients' Jira instances and boom, the issues were gone. Like completely vanished. Just poof, no issues tab. There were no issues in my menu, not a trace. At first, I thought I'd broken something. Did I accidentally click the self-destruct button? So I did some digging, like a good consultant, and found out that this is the Atlassian's latest move to make our lives even more exciting. They've decided that the word issue is just a little too problematic. So buckle up folks, cause issue has been replaced with a hot, spicy new term, work. I know, right? How did they come up with something so revolutionary? After years of devs, IT teams and project managers lovingly calling their tickets issues, which let's be real, was painfully accurate, someone at Atlassian in a moment of divine enlightenment had a full-on corporate epiphany. Not everything we do is a problem. Yeah, tell that to your 400 open bugs in QA. So now, to better represent the diverse tasks we handle, they rebranded everything as work. Genius, huh? Next time you open Jira and log a task, just remember, it's not an issue anymore, it's work. Because nothing screams innovation like calling work, well, work. But hey, don't freak out just yet. This change is being rolled out slowly, so maybe you're safe for now, or maybe you'll be the next.